ano eh.
In 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Desi!
Alright! O, Ma, stay ka muna dyan. Stay! Ginawa ko.
Mas kinakabahan ako sa nag-birthday.
Okay, stay po muna
Wow.
dyan for some picture taking. At ang kanya pong mga kaibigan ay pwede na po munang pumasok. Stay lang po kayo dyan. Sige po, pasok na po. Sige po. Alright, good evening to each and everyone. I am Peril Tudla, ang pinakamagandang anak. I like that. Your host for tonight, and to formally start this program, let us witness the entrance of our birthday celebrant. Welcome to our groovy retro birthday bash. Get ready to boogie down memory lane as we celebrate